Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice chute door seal in the Amana refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver and a 1/4-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice chute door seal. The ice chute door seal is mounted on the ice door inside the dispenser. It's used for sealing the ice chute, preventing warm air from getting inside the freezer. If you notice frost buildup at the top of the ice chute and streaks of condensation coming down on the back of the dispenser, and ice cubes melted and frozen together inside the ice crusher, check the ice chute door seal and replace it if needed. We need to remove this drip pan. I'm going to use the flathead screwdriver because mine is not coming out easily. I'm going to start prying it out, and then I'm going to pry it from this corner. So next step would be taking out these 2 1/4-inch screws. And I'm using a nut driver, 1/4-inch. So I'm going to pull out, push down, and remove this dispenser cover. Turn it over. And we need to remove this couple of plugs. So I'm going to pull this one first, and then the second one. Now we can take it and place it somewhere until we need it. The next step would be taking out the 3 1/4-inch screws that holds the cover. In an ideal world, we should have been able to remove this water line from the bracket easily. But in our case, as you can see, it's all corroded. I don't want to take any chances of breaking that bracket. So we're going to take out this 1/4-inch screw on the left that holds the water line. And I'm going to peel the tape off here that holds the line. And we're going to drop down the bracket assembly with the solenoid and the ice door. From this position, we can easily replace the ice chute door seal by peeling it off. This is the old ice chute door seal next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So now we're going to place the new ice chute door seal on that ice door. And now we can install everything back on. So we're going to turn around this assembly, place it in, and then we're going to secure it with the screws. And the tape goes back on. I'm going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver. Secure the screw. All right, so now we're going to secure the cover with 3 1/4-inch screws. Now we can install the dispenser cover panel back. I'm going to connect this plug first. Then connect this plug. And turn it around, and we need to engage these 2 tabs that goes inside here. Push it in, lift it up so the top locks. And now we can align the holes here at the bottom and secure it with the 2 1/4-inch screws. Now we can install the drip pan. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.